Good afternoon, everyone. There are two kinds of people in this world. One is a leader and the second one is a follower. So today in this video, I would be speaking about different characteristics a leader should have so that he can get maximum followers and can help to make the nation a better place to live in. So let's start. First of all, a leader is a person who should have huge amount of courage in him or her. If there is a crisis situation, the leader should not leave that place, fearing that I may die or whatever. These kinds of thoughts should not come into the minds of a leader, and he should jump into any kind of situation and help his followers to come out of it. Next is self-control. A leader is always a person who is calm and composed, a person who gets agitated easily or angry when there are crisis situations, or cannot handle his anger in such situations, or in slightest of the situations the person gets angry. This person cannot be a good leader. Next is a keen sense of justice. A person who is a good leader should have a keen sense of justice, which means that he should treat everyone fairly and with respect. He should not distinguish people on the basis of caste, creed, religion, culture, language, gender, etc. He should treat everyone with respect and equality, and should give justice to everyone when there is a situation, law order problem in that situation. Next is definiteness of decision. A leader is someone who takes a decision but makes a plan before that and then implements that decision. It is not that if that he or she makes a random decision. If he or she makes a random decision in that situation, maybe that ship will sink and he won't be successful. A decision should always be accompanied with a backup plan, or years of planning should be done, or months of planning, or days of planning should be done before a decision is made. Definiteness of plan. Obviously, a plan is something which has to be made before. It's not that you will make a plan suddenly and then you try to stick to it. No, a plan is something which is obviously made beforehand, and a leader obviously sticks to his plans, and maybe he's someone who makes 3 or 4 plans simultaneously, so that if one plan fails, then the other plan can work out. Next is a leader is someone who has a habit of doing more than required than the job. A leader, goes out of his comfort zone and helps others. It is not that a leader is someone who thinks that this is not the right time to talk, I should sleep, or I should eat, or whatever. A leader should sacrifice all his basic criterias or basic needs or personal demands and fulfill the needs of his followers. Next is a pleasing personality. Obviously, we want our leaders to be a pleasing personality, someone who would motivate us, who would encourage us to move beyond in life, not someone who always forces us, or implements his plans, just forces us to follow those plans. No, we want someone who treats us with respect, gives us sympathy, empathetically listens to us, right? Next is sympathy and understanding. Obviously, we want a leader who understands us and our problems. If a leader is not sympathetic or empathetic towards his or her followers, or his workers, or whatever, then a person cannot be a good leader. Because if you don't listen to the followers' problems, then what is the point of you being a leader? Your leadership won't withstand for a long time. Next is willingness to assume full responsibility. A leader is responsible for his or her followers' mistakes as well. If a follower makes a mistake or is incompetent, it is the responsibility of the leader as well. If a leader tries to cover up the follower, or ignores the mistakes, or does not take any step, then obviously he cannot be a good leader. Next is cooperation. Obviously, we want our leader to cooperate with us during our problems or situations or whatever. So now it is basically your choice or your decision what you want to be. You want to be a leader or you want to be a follower. It's totally your choice. Decide and move ahead in life. With this, I'm ending this video. Thank you.